from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Short Pump Town Center could be losing its most notable anchor store, and some striking results as Henrico County's 2-week COVID-19 testing clinic concludes. We'll have details about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute for Thursday, May 7th, 2020. It's brought to you today by Kathleen's Cleaning Service.
And now for the news.
Short Pump Town Center could be losing its top anchor store. In a story that we were first to bring you last night locally on HenricoCitizen.com, Nordstrom may be closing its store at the mall permanently. On Tuesday night, the Seattle-based retailer announced that it would close 16 of its 116 full-line retail stores, and a national fashion magazine is reporting that the company's Short Pump location is among them. The high-end fashion retailer was an original tenant at the mall when it opened in September 2003 and has been a fixture there ever since, but fashion industry trade journal Women's Wear Daily reported Tuesday that sources indicated to it that the Short Pump store and those in Naples, Florida, Flatiron Crossing, Colorado, and West Farm, Connecticut were among the, quote, high-profile locations scheduled to be closed permanently. Well, the Short Pump store employs about 130 people, according to one employee who contacted the Citizen late last night. That employee said that store employees have not been informed of any closure possibilities, but that there is a conference call this morning with the store's general manager that's optional for employees about, quote, important business changes, end quote. Be sure to follow HenricoCitizen.com today, and we'll have updates throughout the day. On Tuesday, Henrico County concluded its 2-week outdoor COVID-19 testing clinic at Virginia Center Commons, through which more than 2,000 people, including Henrico's first responders and their spouses and partners, as well as frontline employees from other localities and businesses, were tested both for the virus and for antibodies to it. The results available through Monday night were exceedingly encouraging. Only 10 positive test results among the 1,947 people who had been tested at that point, about half of 1%, and 5 of those had negative results on their second tests. Also, as of Monday night, 39 people, or just about 2%, had tested positive for early antibodies to the virus, while 17 had tested positive for late antibodies. Those indicate that they may have been infected already, but have recovered. The county was the first locality in the state, and perhaps one of the first in the nation, to establish a mass testing site for its employees and others. It cost Henrico about $470,000, although most other participating localities and businesses will reimburse Henrico for their portions of the tests. And county officials hope to receive some additional reimbursement from the Federal Emergency Management Agency, or FEMA. Henrico County Manager John Vithoulkas told the Citizen this week that county officials now have their sights set on conducting another round of testing in several weeks. They are currently in talks with the state and some other regional partners, according to Vithoulkas, potentially to conduct testing for more local and state employees and possibly some at-risk citizens at county sites. He hopes that by tomorrow the framework will be in place for what he's calling a Phase 2 of mass testing. You can read more about this story right now on HenricoCitizen.com. Virginia's 23 community colleges, including Reynolds Community College here in the Richmond region, have launched collegeanywhereva.org, a website designed to help Virginians find online courses that best meet their educational needs. In addition to connecting students with remote learning courses, the site also connects current and prospective students with advisors to assist with the application and course enrollment process. The site provides a look at the 10,000 or so online courses offered throughout the state's community colleges. Community colleges in the state have guaranteed transfer agreements with dozens of private and public institutions throughout Virginia. A Freeman High School student has been named the statewide winner of a Virginia Bankers Association scholarship program. Emily Carter will receive a $7,500 college scholarship from the VBA's Bank Day Scholarship Program. The program is designed to educate students about the roles that banks play in a community. As a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, students were asked to write an essay about their experience, and 13 scholarships were awarded based on the merit of those essays. Chabad of Virginia will host a thank you car parade May 12th to show appreciation for community health workers and first responders. The parade will begin at 6 p.m. at John Rolfe Commons. Cars will drive through Beth Shalom Life Care Center and St. Mary's Hospital before returning to the Weinstein Jewish Community Center. Participants are encouraged to decorate their vehicles with car paint, posters, and balloons. The parade also will include music, a float, and a police escort. For details, visit henricocitizen.com and look for this article. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Kathleen's Cleaning Service. Reclaim your family time and leave the cleaning to us. Call today to discuss your cleaning needs and mention the Henrico Citizen to save $25 off your first cleaning. Call 729-7401 or visit kathleenscleaningservice.com.